Hi, my name is Dee Soto, and I'm a biologist with the Xerces Society. Today we're standing in one of our native seed production plots. This is an experimental plot with Western Thistle, which is one of our native thistles, and this year we're including it in our Xerces Habitat Kit program. Western Thistle is a very drought-tolerant plant that grows in areas where we don't get a lot of rain, and so they don't look quite as big as these do. They tend to have one main stem and look a little bit less bushy than these do, and just have a number of flowers at the top of them. They have these cobwebby hairs on them that make them look sort of a whitish green color and have very vibrant red flowers. Western thistle is an excellent food source for pollinators. It produces abundant nectar and pollen. It's also a great food source and nesting material for a lot of other animals, such as birds and other vertebrate mammals. Unlike invasive thistles, it doesn't have invasive tendencies, so it doesn't grow in thickets like you would see other non-native thistles. And it's extremely drought tolerant, so it can handle very low water situations. We hope you'll be excited about incorporating these plants into your Habitat Kit program as much as we are, because they are very excellent food sources for pollinators and just critical habitat.